Hey, what is going on, guys? Hybernerd here, back with a little small video for you guys. Today I'm going to be unboxing one of these Steam Siege blister packs. We have the Azelf promo and Rayquaza. We have two of each. Today I'm just going to be doing the Azelf. I have about 4 videos that I'm trying to upload, but for some reason they keep coming out in 480i and I can't seem to understand why. So I'm gonna talk to one of my friends about it and see why it's doing that so I can fix it, because it's 3 videos that are part of a series and I can't release the other 2 videos because of those are like the beginning videos. So it was like 2 other blister packs, the Elite Trainer box for Steam Siege, and as well as the booster box. So it's like I can't really, do anything about that until I get someone who knows like what they're doing. Alright, so we have a Pikachu coin. Today our little mascot is this ugly little fellow right here. As well as the Gardevoirs. We have the Azelf promo, which is, I think, a really good holo. Really good looking holo, I should say. Just like captures your eye. Then we have the 3 booster packs. We have 2 Gardevoir and 1 Xerneas break. Let's go ahead and get right into these. There's the code card for you guys. Alright. We got a Monferno, Nidorino, Pokemon Ranger, Shellos, Kurogunk, Tangela, Clink, Joltik. Our reverse is a reverse rare. It's a Pyroar. Don't have this one yet. And then a Bisharp holo. Have a Gardevoir pack here. Alright, we got a Gardevoir Spirit Link, Duat, Klefki, Tangela, Clink, Joltik, Ponyard, Fungus, and another Hydreigon break. So it's 2 good cards in this little blister pack here. And a Talonflame, which is a non-holo rare, but it is a good card to use. I love this card. Alright, remaining we just have the golden Xerneas break pack. Excuse any background noise, my daughter's in the room playing. Alright, we have a Duat, Braviary, Armorfossil Shieldon, Joltik, Larvesta, Rufflet, Ponyta, Meowth, Oshawott is a reverse rare, and an Armaldo regular rare for our final card. So in this little blister pack here, we got a Hydreigon break, a reverse rare Pyroar, and a Bisharp holo. Alright guys, stay tuned. We got a few more videos coming, and like I said, once I figure out how to get these videos uploaded in 1080 or even 720, I'll have that little small series out for you guys. Alright, take care.